Welcome back to my channel. Today, you're not just watching another video, you're about to witness a complete transformation. A journey that takes something ordinary and turns it into something truly extraordinary. What you see in front of you right now was not always this. This vehicle once lived a completely different life. It wasn't built for comfort, it wasn't designed for adventure, and it certainly wasn't meant to be a home. It was simple, functional, and purely made for work. It followed the same roads every day, carried its load without question, and existed without purpose beyond routine. There was no luxury, no emotion, no story, just a machine doing its job. But the moment we looked at it differently, everything changed. Because instead of seeing what it was, we saw what it could become. We saw potential hidden beneath its structure. We saw a future waiting to be built. And most importantly, we saw an opportunity to create something meaningful. And that's where it all began. This journey didn't start with tools or materials, it started with a vision. A vision to rebuild, to reimagine, and to transform this machine into something that doesn't just move, but something that lives. So we began from the ground up. Every panel was removed, every part was inspected, and every weakness was carefully analyzed. This was not a simple upgrade or a surface-level change, this was a complete teardown. The body was stripped back, the structure was reinforced, and the entire foundation was redesigned to support a new purpose. Because when you want to create something extraordinary, you don't just fix what's visible, you rebuild what's underneath. Slowly, piece by piece, the transformation started to take shape. What once looked like a basic working vehicle began evolving into something far greater. The process required patience, precision, and an incredible amount of dedication. There were no shortcuts, no compromises, and no rushed decisions. Every detail mattered, and every step was intentional. After months of effort, countless hours of work, and a relentless focus on perfection, the vision finally became reality. And today, we proudly present the all-new 2027 Camper Motorhome, a machine that represents transformation in its purest form. From the outside, the first thing you notice is its bold and modern presence. The deep blue exterior is not just a color choice, it's a statement of confidence, design, and evolution. The body has been completely reimagined, with a raised camper structure that maximizes space while maintaining balance and stability. Every curve is smooth, every edge is refined, and every element has been crafted with purpose. This is not just design, this is engineering with vision. And on top, you'll notice the integration of solar panels, a feature that represents independence and sustainability. This motorhome doesn't just travel, it generates its own energy, giving you the freedom to go wherever you want without limits. As you move closer, you'll start to notice the details. The windows are carefully placed to capture the best possible views, turning every journey into a visual experience. Imagine waking up to the sight of mountains, lakes, or endless open roads. This isn't just travel, this is a completely new way of experiencing the world. And the moment you step inside, everything changes. The outside world fades away, and you enter a space that feels nothing like a traditional vehicle. This is no longer just a machine, this is a home. The interior has been designed to provide comfort, functionality, and a sense of calm. Soft, ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, while the clean and modern finishes give the space a premium feel. There are no unnecessary elements, no clutter, just a carefully planned layout that makes every inch count. The seating area is designed for long journeys, offering both comfort and durability. This is where you sit, relax, and enjoy the journey. The layout is compact yet incredibly intelligent, ensuring that nothing is wasted and everything serves a purpose. The kitchen area, though minimal, is fully functional, allowing you to cook and live wherever you go. Because real travel isn't just about moving, it's about living. Storage solutions are seamlessly integrated into the design, keeping everything organized without compromising space. And then comes one of the most important elements, the sleeping area. Quiet, comfortable, and private, it provides the perfect place to rest after a long day of exploration. Whether you're parked beside a lake, in the middle of a forest, or under a sky full of stars, this space becomes your sanctuary. But what truly makes this motorhome special is not just its design or features, it's the feeling it creates. The feeling of freedom. The ability to go wherever you want, whenever you want, without being tied to a single place. With this motorhome, you are no longer limited by location or routine. You are free to explore, to discover, and to live life on your own terms. And while the interior offers comfort and luxury, the foundation of this vehicle ensures strength and reliability. The base has been carefully upgraded to provide smooth driving, stable handling, and long-distance endurance. Because real adventures don't happen on perfect roads. Conditions change, paths become unpredictable, and challenges appear without warning. But this motorhome is built to handle it all. It is designed for real-world travel, for real experiences, and for real journeys from city streets to mountain roads, from coastal highways to remote landscapes. This machine adapts to every environment. It moves with confidence, responds with precision, and delivers performance when it matters most. And that's what sets it apart. This is not just transportation, this is transformation. This project is not just about building something new, it's about proving that anything can be reimagined. We didn't replace this vehicle, we reinvented it. We took something ordinary and turned it into something unforgettable. And that is the true message behind this entire journey. You don't always need something brand new to create something amazing. Sometimes all you need is a new perspective, a new idea, and the willingness to put in the work. This 2027 Camper motorhome stands as proof that transformation is always possible. It represents vision, effort, and creativity coming together to create something meaningful. Whether you are someone who loves travel, someone who dreams of freedom, or someone who simply appreciates great craftsmanship, this build is for you. Because this is more than just a vehicle, it is a lifestyle, it is an experience, and it is a reminder that the road ahead is full of possibilities. And this is only the beginning. There are more ideas to explore, more transformations to create, and more journeys to share. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected, because what's coming next is going to be even bigger. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.